Hi viewers, this is Minachandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class. Okay, listen. Now, actually, in the fourth problem, exercise number 5.2, third problem, subdivision number 4. Fill in the following APs, fill the missing term in the boxes. So we can fill the box values in this AP. Listen, in this AP, they given a first term, second term box, third term box, fourth term also box value, sixth term, sorry, fifth term also box, sixth term they given is a 6. Clear? Now they given only a first term and last term. That means A6. Now you can tell me what we supposed to do first? Excuse me. So we can write A comma D N A N. So among this, what are the things they given? That is we should find out, right? Clear? So here A value they given. D, no, we can't able to find the D value because there is no consecutive terms here, right? So here there is no consecutive terms, so we can't able to find a D value. Next N. N value they given or not? First value and last value, right pa? Next A N they given or not? A N given. Okay pa. Now we want to find the second term, it means we need to know the D value, common difference. So when we want to find a common difference among using these values, so we have a and A N is enough to find a common difference, right? Clear? When they given a N and A, we easy to find a common difference, right? Are you clear or not? Yes, da. So now we can use a formula. A is equal to here minus 4. A6, that is the sixth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth term. A6 is a 6. Now we can use a formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, nth formula. Now A6 is equal to, first value what it is here? In this problem, first term, first value, A, minus 4. Minus 4 plus n is 6, 6 minus 1 into D. Then 6 is equal to minus 4, that is A6 value is a 6 here, right? So 6 is equal to minus 4 plus 6 minus 1, 5, 5D. Next, now we can transpose minus 4 to left hand side. So 6 plus 4 equal to 5D. Then 6 plus 4, 10 is equal to 5D. Then 10 by 5 equal to D. Because we are transposing multiplication, it became a division. Then D is equal to 2. So now we find the D is equal to 2, right? Clear? Okay. Now we know that D value. So here we have a first term. What it is? 4. Now D is 2. So what will be the next answer? So we supposed to add a 2 in here with the first term. We will get a second term. What is the second term? Minus 2. Next, minus 2 plus 2. 0. 0 plus 2. 2. Very good. 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2. Right? We found all the values. Clear? Excuse me, are you all clear? Okay. Now we can go with the elaborate method. So now we need to find a A2, right? So now we can use the nth order formula. A n is equal to, that is A2 here. A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. So A2 here what it is? We need to find A2. We need to find A2. A2 is equal to minus, A value is minus 4 plus 2, that is 2 minus 1, it is a 1. D value we found that it is 2. So A2 is equal to minus 4 plus 1 into 2, 2. So A2 is equal to minus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Very good. Different sign. So we should do the subtraction. So it is a minus 2. Larger number sign. Okay, pa. So now we found the A2. Next, we need to find A3. Right? Clear? A3 here. A3 formula. Nth order. A3 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is the n is here 3. So 3 minus 1 into D. Then A3 is equal to minus 4 plus 2. D value we found it is a 2. Clear? Next, minus 4. 2 into 2, 4 plus into minus, so minus, sorry, here plus into plus plus, So minus 4 plus 4. What is the answer? 0. So A3 is equal to 0. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt, ma? Next, what we supposed to find next? A4. Next, we need to find A5. So now we can find a A4, A5. See here, A4 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So A4 is equal to minus 4 plus 4 minus 1, it is 3. 3 into D value 2. So 3 2s are 6, minus 4, A4. So now A4 is equal to minus 4 plus 6. What is the answer? Minus 4 plus 6. 2. Very good. The plus 2 is the answer. So A4 value 2. So now we can enter A4 as a 2. Clear? Next we need to find A4. A5 baby. We need to find A5. Yes. So listen. Are you all listening now? Okay. Okay. Listen. So A5 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is a 5. So A plus 5 minus 1 into D. Then A5 is equal to minus 4 plus 4 into 2. So A5 is equal to minus 4 plus 8. Then A5 is equal to plus 4. Clear? Are you clear, pa? So now we can enter in a A5th place 4. Clear? Any doubt? So we found the answers. Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Are you all clear? So when they given a fill in the blanks boxes of AP, will you all able to find the term of the AP or not? Are you all clear? Kishore, any doubt? Sanjay, Monash, Kritika, Priya, Veena, Asan, any doubt? Kashini, Nitya, do you have any doubt? Shall we move to the next problem? Those who are completed a problem, listen. Those who are completed the homework, did you check your answers right? Arda? Very good, very good. The answers are right. Very good, Pa. Very good. Super, super. Okay. If it is any changes should be there in your steps, you can please change it, right? Okay. Next question. Fifth subdivision. Okay, but listen. Fifth subdivision. Here, box, first value box, A value box, 38, second term 38, third term box, fourth term box, fifth term box, sixth term they given. So first what we supposed to do? A, D, N, A, N. So in this, what are the things they given? A is available or not? It is A available or not? Excuse me? No, A is not here. A not given. D, D no. N, N two times they given, right? Two times. AN, AN also two times. So now what we supposed to do? We should make an equation and we can find it, right? Because here N also they given two times, AN also they given two times. So we can do it in a equation method, right? And the A and D by equation method. So first one A2. So A2 is equal to 38. So AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Right? Because n is a 2, we can find it. Then A2 what it is? 38. So 38 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1, 1. 1 into D, D. So 38 is equal to A plus D. Equation number 1. Are you clear? Next problem. Here A6 they given. What is the A6? What is the A6 here? Minus 22. So A6 equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D. That is n value 6, right? A6 it is. So A plus 6 minus 1 into D. Then A6 value 22 minus 22. Then A value, that is we don't know A value. So A plus 6 minus 1, that is 5. 5 into D, 5D. So equation number 2. Clear? Any doubt? Excuse me? Okay, sure. Okay, next. Now we can simplify this equation number 1 and 2 by any method, maybe elimination method or substitution method. Here I can go with the elimination method. So equation number 1 is equal to 38 is equal to A plus D. Then equation number 2 is equal to minus 22 A plus 5D. So among these two equation, I can eliminate any one term, right? It's maybe a or D. So here the coefficient of A is same, so I can eliminate a A. So what operation we supposed to do here to eliminate A? when we add this two, we can eliminate a or not? No, we can't. When we add two equation, we can't able to eliminate any terms. But when we subtract these two terms, these equations, surely we will eliminate a value, right? So we can write the subtraction. So we can change the sign. While we are doing a subtraction of equations, in the second equation we should change the sign. So here it is a minus, so it became a plus. Here it is a plus, it became minus. Here it is a plus, it became a minus. So now minus a plus a cancel. 32 plus 22. Now it is a plus 22. So 38 plus 22, what it is? 38 plus 22, 60. Very good. So the answer is 60 is equal to d plus d minus 5d. D minus 5d, what it is? Minus 4d. So 60 is equal to minus 4d. Then 60 divided by minus 4 is equal to d. Then d is equal to minus 15. Clear? We can cancel it. Clear? 1 4 are 4. 1 4 are 4. Remaining 2 20. 5 2 are 20. That is the remaining minus. So minus 15. Are you clear, pa? Okay. Now we can substitute this d value in equation number 1 to get the a value. So 38 is equal to a plus d. Here d value is minus 15. So 38 is equal to a minus 15. Then we can transpose minus 15 to left hand side. So 38 plus 15 is equal to a. Then when we add this, we can get a 53. So a is equal to 53. Are you clear? Excuse me, are you all clear? Okay. Now we found the first term. What it is? 53. So first term 53. Next is common difference. What we find it here? D minus 5. So when we subtract minus 5, 53, what is the answer? 53 minus 5. Excuse me? 38. 38 plus minus 15. What it is? Subtract it, raw. 38 minus 15. 23. Very good, Sanjay. Next, 23 plus minus 15. What it is? What it is? Plus 8. Then plus 8 minus 15. Very good. Minus 7. Very good. Minus 7. So we got the answer, right? Clear? Any doubt? Are you clear? So now we can go with the elaborate method, right? Clear? So now we need to find A3, right? A3. So listen, pa. If you want to stop the problem here itself, you can stop it, no issues. If you want to do the elaboration, you can do it, right? A3 equal to A plus n minus 1. So n is here 3, 3 minus 1 into d. Are you clear? Then A3 is equal to A value we found it is 53. So 53 plus 2 into 15. Right? Because 2, 3 minus 2, sorry, 3 minus 1, 2. D value we found it here, it is a minus 15. So 53 minus 2 15s are 30. So 53 minus 30. So A3 is equal to 23. Are you clear? We can enter A3 as a 23 here. Next, we need to find a A4. So A4 next. A4 is here. A plus n minus 1 into d. Here it is n is a 4. So 4 minus 1 into d. Then A4 is equal to 53 plus 3 into 15 minus 15 d value. Then A4 is equal to 53 plus, sorry, plus into minus, minus. So 3 into 15. 3 into 15. 45. So minus 45. Next, A4 is equal to, now we can subtract it. What it is? 53 minus 45. 8. Clear? So we found that A4 as a 8. Are you clear? So we can enter A4 as a 8. Clear, pa? Next, what we supposed to do? We can find A5. So listen, we can find the A5. So A5 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Then A5 is equal to A term, we know that it is 53 plus 5 minus 1, 4. 4 into minus 15. Then A5 is equal to 53. 4 into 15. 60. Plus and minus, minus. Listen, please be careful with sign. So here plus minus, so minus is the answer, so minus 60. Now plus 53 minus 60, what is the answer? Minus 7. We found it, right? A5. Now we can enter the minus 7 as a fifth term. Clear, pa? Any doubt? Any other doubt? Okay, now. Next, fourth problem. Are you all clear? Any doubt in this? I hope in this video you make clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you.